Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert like your signature or even drawings in Google Sheets. Just gonna scroll down here and let's zoom in a little bit. Going to select this column right here and I'm going to select insert. Then as you can see there's a drawing tab. Select it. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, I'm still zoomed in. Whatever. I'm going to select line here and I'm going to select scribble. And this is where you're going to do your signature. Then you can also draw if you like to here. Save and close, and it's going to be added into your Google Sheets. And you can just place it here and add your name. Lovely Hearts. That's just a fake name, but you get the point. You get the gist. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!